Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to this new lesson. This lesson is in Module D. We're still in Module D, but now we're in Unit 2. And this is the first lesson in Unit 2. And it's called Genetic Change and Traits. What do I mean by genetic? Genetic is your DNA, your genetic makeup, okay? And in this lesson, we're basically going to be learning about DNA, chromosomes, genes, proteins. We're gonna be checking how genes, okay, your genes, your genetic makeup, how it affects your traits like your eye color, hair color, the way you look, your skin color. All of these are affected by your genes, your DNA. Okay. So, this is the opening activity. How can a change to just one gene cause a lobster to be blue? You see this lobster. This is the regular color of the lobster. This is a blue lobster because this lobster had a mutation in his genes. He had a mutation in his genes. Okay, the blue color is a result of a genetic mutation. Something happened in his genes, in the coding of his genes, and we're going to learn how genes code for proteins and how these affect the way we look. Okay, so first thing is we're going to start with where's the DNA? Okay, where is the DNA? So you have cells in your body. Your body's made up of cells, and your cells have a nucleus inside of them. So this is the nucleus inside the cell. Inside the nucleus, there's something called chromosomes. You have chromosomes inside the nucleus of your cell. Okay, so the bigger one is the cell. Inside the cell, there's a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, there are chromosomes, and here they're showing you one of the chromosomes. Okay, now this chromosome, is made up of coiled DNA strands. Look, and here they're showing you how the DNA strand look like, but the chromosome is made up of coiled DNA. Look, there's another picture here. You can see this is a chromosome, and it's made up of coiled strands of DNA. All of this is DNA. So they zoomed in here on a small part. They took a part of it and they showed you how this is made up of DNA. Okay? DNA is a double-stranded molecule organized into structure called chromosomes. So chromosomes are made into organized strands of DNA. Okay? The DNA contains genetic material. All your genetic information is on your DNA. It contains instructions for the organism's growth and development. It has instructions for your growth and development. Okay, now you can see this again here. DNA is found in the nucleus. So this is the cell. This whole big thing is the cell. And inside the cell, you have a nucleus. This is the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, you have chromosomes. Chromosomes are made up of coiled DNA. Okay, a lot of coiled DNA. And the DNA is a double helix. What do we mean by double helix? Okay, if you look here, you will notice that it's doubled. See, 1, 2. So this is one half. This is the other half. That's why it's called a double helix. Okay? And tomorrow we're going to learn about these nucleotide base pairs and what do we mean by these nucleotide base pairs and how they pair together. Okay? That's it for today. It's just an introduction. Okay, all you had to know is the cell. Inside the cell is a nucleus. Nucleus is made of chromosomes. Chromosomes are structures that are made up of coiled DNA, and DNA is a double helix. That's all the information you need for today.